Alden, it's short update and welcome back kay Alden. Ayan, fresh from London kasama ang kanyang family 4 person. And dumating na nga sila. Ay nabot pa nga sila ng traffic. Ayan, no? Ayan, masaya si Alden sa kanyang workcation sa London. Ayan, nakauwi na siya sa Pilipinas. Ito ay the story nila Risa at Angel sa panangkain nila habang nanonood ng Harry Potter. Saka sila na plano yun. Tapos ito pa, yan, bukas na, 7:15 PM, Beyond 75, the GMA 75 Anniversary Special. Yan, papalabas niya sa TV. Ina-interview kay Alden.
GMA journey in one word, evolution. Since nag-start naman ako with GMA, I've started here basically from scratch without knowing anything. Hindi ko alam paano maging isang aktor, paano maging isang celebrity, or everything under our industry. But with GMA kasi, as I learn how to handle the things that I have to equip myself with my field of work, natutunan ko rin kasi yung additional knowledge doing things behind the camera. And it's because of GMA. I have a lot of learnings from it. That's why I keep on evolving every year. To GMA, my home network, I think dito na ako tatanda, and I'm not just saying this because loyalty matters to me, and I think loyalty very much matters po sa GMA. So, kung loyalty lang din, I'm here to stay until my last day in the industry. So, to GMA, to my GMA family, thank you so much for always being there for me. Maraming salamat.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is with Charlie Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.